So struggling to get your images into Photoshop on iPad the right way? Today I will show you the correct method. No missing files, no blurry imports. Today you will learn how to import photos, PNGs, renders and files into Photoshop on iPad using multiple methods. For that you have to open the Photoshop like I have already opened the app, and you have to hit the create new button given below. Here you will find a lot of sizes you can choose from for the canvas. These are the custom ones. You can even select the units, and you can specify the width and height of the canvas, your own custom size. You can choose the resolution, pixels per inch, and even choose from the social or print canvases. A lot of canvases you can find over here. I will choose a basic 1920 by 1080 pixels, and it is at a resolution 72 pixels per inch. And you have to click the create button over here, and you will see a new canvas is open. So to bring images onto your canvas, there are so many methods you can choose from. I will start with the basic one. For that you have to click this button, place image, and you will find a number of options to choose from. First one is the photos, and then files, libraries, camera, Lightroom photos. So let's start with the photos. You have to click this button, and you can choose from your photos. You can download images from Pinterest or any other website. Then you can upload those images through this button. You can bring your image like this, and you can move it. You can resize your image. You can rotate your image. You can even rotate it at an exact angle, and once you are satisfied, you can hit the done button. As soon as you get your image, you should rename it by clicking this second button. You can click it twice and rename it. So this is one way to bring an image. And to bring it from the files app, you can click the files button. You can go into the file or folder in which you have saved your images, and from the list you can choose whichever image you want, or you want to bring it into your canvas. So this is the second method. Hit the done button. This one is the compact layer panel, in which you will see only the thumbnail of the layer. This is the detailed one, where you will find the name as well, and if you click, you can change the name. Click this button. You can even click a photo. Another way is to just slide the bottom of your screen of iPad and drag the Photos app towards either left or right side, and here you will have your images. You can long press on an image, and you can click the share button and click on Photoshop. It will come onto a new canvas. If I show you, it has created a new canvas over here. You can even copy an image on the same canvas. Long press it and click the copy button and come onto your canvas, and plus button you have to click, add layer button, and you can paste it as a new layer, and you have to allow the paste. So you can see it has come as a new layer. Then you can maximize this window, and you can resize it. You can even directly create canvas out of an image by clicking this button given at the bottom. And let's go into the Files app and select a photo. Let's bring this one, and it will directly open in your Photoshop on iPad into a canvas directly, and the size will exactly be the same as the image. So now you know how to bring any image in Photoshop on iPad cleanly and without any mistake. And in the next video we will learn how to cut and combine images, and we will not be needing any desktop for that.